G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so this roof is actually off the house, and we're just pumping the cellulose fibre straight onto the rate section. And there's a bit of cellulose drifting about here, but it doesn't go very far, just while we're actually pumping. And then and that's where, when people say that it blows around, we can actually pump it straight onto the roof while there's no roof on it, and then we'll put the roof back on later. So it does a good job and gets 100% coverage. So you can see how easy that is compared to doing the job with bats or that, and having to cut bats into all of those triangle bits there. And this little bit here would be a bit that would get missed normally, right? And this little piece here, they wouldn't put a bat in there, right? So it's easy to do the job right when you use the right product for the right job. I'm just doing a top up in this roof of a cellulose fibre job that was done by a competitor, and you can see it's really old insulation, and they just haven't put it in thick enough. So on that joist there, it should be right up to the top, and so we're just pumping it in. This is what we call a top up, whether it's fiberglass that's settled or cellulose fibre that hasn't been installed well. We'll top it up, bring it up to Australian standards, and make the insulation work properly again. So, right. And so it's just pretty easy. Even if this was fiberglass, we'll just pump over the top of it like this, and you can see there, that's what it looks like when it's done. Yeah, Peter here from Comfort Zone. I'm just up in this roof, and whoever did this insulation job the first time, because this was a top-up, you can see here that we've put the good cellulose, the new stuff, over the top of the old stuff, right, as a top-up. So that's the different colours. And the reason why this one's yellowy is because this was made out of recycled phone books, whereas this is made out of recycled newspapers. So, but they've actually hidden the manhole. So, just showing you how easy it is to find a manhole. I'm not quite sure where it is, but it's around here somewhere. And whoever did the job the first time has actually pumped over the top of the manhole, and here it is. Here it is under here. So now this is where it is. So we just sweep that across like that. Sweep that across like that, and I can just do that with my hand. Okay. And that's how long it takes for an electrician or somebody, if they're looking for a place to put their light or anything. And I don't have a dustpan or brush or anything up here with me at the moment, but that's the manhole cover there. So yeah, inside the house. So yeah, that was covered by the old fluff before, right? Which is they only had a thin layer of it, right? But you can see the old fluff was in that, but it was covered, and so I push all of that aside, and then I'll give that a little blow. just ready to put a polyester bat over the top of there. So then if people want to climb up in through here, then they won't have cellulose on top of the manhole. Now that's obviously the difference between a good job and a cheap job, and you can see now the job's been topped up and it's just at the tops of the joists, and so there's a little bit of cellulose on top there, and it's easy enough to just give it a sweep, and then we're all done. So what did you think, Graham, about our service?
No, terrific. Had a couple of quotes. Went with Comfort Zone. Peter was terrific. Came around, very friendly. And put in recycled insulation through the roof, and we've had electricians through there since then, and there's no complaints. Certainly not the itchy type. But anyway, no, all good. Very happy about it, and Peter was gracious enough to make the payment in half, so I had a chance to save up to pay for the full amount. But I'm very happy with the service, and certainly very happy with the product so far. Can't wait for summertime, I guess.
I couldn't get a better recommendation than that. Thank you very much, Graham.
No worries, thanks Peter.